let's continue from where we stopped. So I think the next thing we need to do now is create a CSS file to start styling index.css. Okay, so don't forget, you have to link it. You go to the head section, you put link here. So we call it index. That's the name we gave it, index. So let's go here and then do asterisk. You remember universal? Okay, sorry. I don't know what's happening to my system. We have universal. Don't forget, first thing first, margin 0 to remove default setting, padding 0, and then you have to put this box size in, border box. Okay, so now let's start with header. Let's start with header, class of header, sorry, because it's class, you have to start with dots. Remember dots for class. Now, if you look at this, you have header class. Can you see it? Header class. So that's what we want to style now. Let's give it width, which is 100%, 100 view width. That is, it should occupy the whole viewport width. Then the height, which is 80 pixel, let it be 80 pixel. So let's give it a border 1 pixel solid black, border 1 pixel solid black. Okay, so that's what you have. Let's even launch it and see what is going on with what we have, so that you can see. Oh, you can see this is the header now. This is the 1 pixel. You can see it. The whole thing is looking rough for now. So, but not to worries. We are doing it. So CSS 100 view with 800 pixel, 1 pixel solid black. So yeah, let's start. Right inside it, we can use what we call display flex. Okay, which turns everything horizontal. So let's see it. You can see the display flex. You can see it. And so we are making sense here. So I will pause here, continue in the next.